interesting night tonight, and I don't think any of it is really appropriate to put
Hey,
on the
Maggie.
Um, let's just say, no, let's just not say anything. I've had a very interesting, event-filled night, and yeah, I can't wait to do it all again next week. Keep calm and carry on.
Maggie likes being perched on her shoulder.
I am so looking forward to driving this car.
I'm gonna drive. What do you mean you?
I'm going first.
No,
It's
you
my turn.
You were fastest in the Lamborghini.
No, I beat him in the Lamborghini.
Gentlemen.
Let's settle this my way.
Top Tuesdays on History.
Timmy Spadowd! Hey, what's up, guys? Stay here. What's up, man? What's up, Happy Wheels? Wanna play some Happy Wheels? String. String? I think I already played that one. Hey, how's it going, guys? What you up to today? Up to anything fun? Bump and scratch on this fine Friday? Ah! What?
Maggie's a sweet little boy.
That's a funny episode
Mogwai
right
is
here.
asleep.
With
Yeah,
me
Mogwai is
screaming
a sweet little boy.
fancy. I don't know. What did
Yes,
I scream
he's
like?
a sweet
What did
big
I
boy.
sound like I screamed like? Let me know in the comments below. Ask if I'm moved, if I'm chilling, if I'm... And I'm stuck. What? What's wrong with my bike? It's like squished. Timmy, you're crowding me. Timmy.
Hey, Maggie.
Oh, bloody mess. Oh, that's what they're angry about the blood.
That's